Hello YouTube, welcome to today's video. Now I'm just updating you all on the upgraded fence. Has since been upgraded again, and I've been using it a lot just lately, and I've been doing a lot of boxes, making a lot of boxes, so I wanted a little bit more height, a little bit more heft, just to make the cuts a little bit safer, more safety. Now I've gone about that. I've used two rocker clamps to attach a section of MDF to a small section of plywood, which is the same height as the original fence. I've moved the toggle clamp from an interference fixture, which was originally in the steel, to between the two pieces of timber where we joined together, just to give us that stability and make sure my cuts and my fence is at 90 degrees to the flat surface of the table saw. Now we've got the smooth surface of the MDF there for the finished fence. So that is my first upgrade. I'm really pleased how that's turned out. Made my cuts a lot safer. Now if you remember, originally my original mitre fence was a fixed, and now we've got the sliding mitre gauge, and I did that simply by making a T-track, piece of 18mm ply on the front there, two pieces of 6mm on the back, cutting out the bolt head in the 18mm ply with a table saw, so we can adjust that now to suit using the original Einhell plastic mitre base. So we've still got all our angles, we've got all our 45s or 90 degrees. So we've incorporated that. We've taken out any play on the mitre slot using a piece of plywood. If you remember, you need to check out the playlist if you've not already seen the previous videos, but we had a good bit of play on the original plastic base, so now that has been eliminated, which gives us greater accurate cuts. And for the depth gauge, I made a simple sliding piece of plywood there, so we can actually channel that across from side to side. We've got a butterfly nut and a large washer just to give us enough purchase there to make sure all our cuts are consistent. On the front, I decided to fix a piece of emery fine grade just to make sure that there's no movement. It's very easy to get close to the blade and you've lost a mil or two on your accuracy. So that emery paper, that very fine grade, just, you know, it just stops any movement there, just grips it a little bit better. But these things evolve as time goes on. It's something I should have done a long time ago, but been getting a lot of use, as I said earlier, and yeah, it's been a great little modification. So I thought I'd keep you all updated, guys. I know there's one or two of you that seems to follow this saw and have purchased this saw or running budget table saws, but these are good improvements. They've worked for me. I'm very pleased with it. You know, it's paid for itself from what I originally paid for it. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, you've liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, it's free, it does help the channel grow. Take care, and I shall see you on the next video.